Welcome to AI by MD. Today we are starting with the basics of artificial intelligence, and as I always like to say, big dreams need a little spark. So let's begin our journey of powering up roots in AI. So what is artificial intelligence? AI refers to the technique where we teach machines to think and act like humans. Just like we learn from experiences, AI is going to learn from data, patterns, and logic. It includes learning, reasoning, problem solving, and decision making. Now, the next topic is machine learning. So, it is one of the most important part of AI, and it means that machines learn from data and improves over time without being directly programmed. Example, if we want AI to identify cats, we don't have to tell it that a cat has 2 ears, 4 legs, whiskers, and so on. Instead, we show many cat pictures and AI learns the pattern itself. Now, next comes the future with AI. The future will have everywhere AI involved. But remember, AI will not replace people. People who understand AI will replace those who don't. So, learning AI by today, we are preparing for a strong and confident future. And last but not the least is we need to understand that AI is shaping the future of work and innovation. Understanding AI is going to help us in every way, provided we use it wisely. And we might be living in a future where we will get enormous real world applications which involves AI that might be healthcare, where diagnosis support will be achieved, finances where fraud detection and risk prediction will be achieved, and education where personalized learning will be supported, and even in transportation, as we are already experiencing that we have started using self-driven cars. And coming to the benefits of AI, it has got enormous benefits starting from high accuracy and efficiency, and it is going to reduce the human workload to a huge extent. And the most important advantage is AI can work 24 by 7 without fatigue or stress. So, quickly giving you a glimpses of the different types of AI. First one is narrow AI, which includes specific tasks like we are using Siri, Google Maps every day. This is an example of narrow AI. Coming to general AI, it involves human level intelligence, and next is super AI, which is like it can take its own decisions. Coming to next part, we have something called deep learning, which is a subset or which is a part of machine learning, and it uses neural networks similar to human brain, and the example is face recognition system in smartphone. And last but not the least, limitations of AI. It definitely requires huge data to learn. It has high developmental cost and it can lead to job displacement. So friends, this is it for this time. We'll meet next time in next video with more detailed elaboration on AI, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye, take care.